Welcome to my kitchen, my fans. First, I must thank all of my new subscribers. Welcome to KCL family. Soon get back to you people who have been sending a lot of messages. Soon respond to your messages. Today I'm cooking some turbot skin. The skin from the turbot fish soup. You ever hear about the turbot skin? Soon get back to you fans. Keep on send those messages. Yes, turbot skin. Please take a look at the turbot skin. That's the skin from the turbot. A lot of people say have a lot of nutrients and health benefits in it. Especially all them men, the wild men, who have a lot of women. Fishermen, they like to boil the turbot skin. I'm gonna put like a piece of cinnamon in it too when I'm doing it. Pimento, little cloves, and all my natural seeds, you know already, like onion, my scallions, my thyme, my garlic, pumpkin, carrot, yam, dumplings, cocoa, some nougla also. My kitchen is outdoor cooking. All who family at my channel already know, like Catechin, Myla, always call your name, Cecile, Stamina Dan, and all the other fans, them Stone Breeze in Ghana, Captain Frenchman, Tree Jackson, you know, all of the family, big up Ghana, Jamaica, Asia, Europe, Australia, Central and South America. My little pot, a lot of food cooked in this little whole pot, so I still have to respect it. Look at my little whole pot now. Even the angle broke off. Look on the pot cover, no give out, no laugh. Laugh at my pot cover, make sure you laugh. Cecilia heard you laughing, Catechin. This is country lifestyle. If you're not getting some joke, it wouldn't be the country life. Culture, country life ties in the tank. Look on the coal stove. Charcoal. So the pum yam there, that's my favorite yam in the soup. It might be kind of little difficult to peel for some people who do not understand. But I comprehend it how to peel it. Color of it is yellow. Yam, most people know the straight one. That's renta yam. That's the cocoa. Hopefully I'll be able to get chocho sometime this year. Look, my chocho tree, remember the chocho what I planted? It coming on nice. Coming on nice, my fans. Look at those tomatoes what I planted just the other day. They're coming on nice. I have carrot and punk, what I just removed the skin. I'm going to cut them up between it. Also, okay, my beans, I'll be putting like various beans, like the gungo peas and like the beans and maybe a few cowpeas in it. Glamity soup, we're going to call it. Glamity. Because I work well hard, so I have to drink this type of soup. I just had a nice glass of Irish mash a while ago. And a nice slice of ripe papaya. My fans, Kojak, country lifestyle, remember to tell your friends and family about this channel. And if you're a new special, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Well, take a look now at the turbot skin in the pot. Look. See, there we have, so far I put like some turmeric, ginger, and rosemary to give it that special flavor. This is a powerhouse food, super food, especially for the male organ. Fishermen, they wake up, have a lot of this. They have a lot of children them get. Whole lot of children, nearly every fisherman that I've known. So many children. This is a thing. This help fire off a lot of cylinders. You can smell it, you know, man. The flavor, the aroma. Big up my pot. Lots of soup cooking this little whole pot. OLD. To give thanks for it anyway. Well, I have now dropped in like most of the food inside this pot, this turbot skin soup. Please take a look now at my pot. It smells so good so far, man. Early days, very colorful. I have beans, the yams, the cocoa, the pumpkin, the carrot, you know. I'm gonna drop my scotch bonnet pepper, pimento, and all those things now. Scallions, thyme. Smell good, my fans. All seasons that I put in it now. So I'm gonna get some fresh moringa. Cause you know moringa is a super food. So let me grab some moringa now. Nice Gros Michel banana. Getting the moringa, put in my pot. Super food. These type of things protect your body, you know. Build up your immune system. The immune system extremely strong. Let our food be our medicine. This is like medicine we have in my medicine. Stuff like these. Natural organics. God give us all the things that we need. It's just we have to know to utilize it and eat good.